The number one thing that people should be worried about that probably wouldn't even be cognizant of is the noise. That is all the chatter and the gossip that surrounds the market. And when I say surrounds the market, that they would think has nothing to do with the market. So geopolitical events, when terrorist events first started happening, they had huge effect on the market, and the market became desensitized to it. Elections are another example. Pandemics, these are all things that are not market-related issues. They're health or politics or something else. The other kind of noise is the noise that's directly related to the market. So this is where there are opinions and newspaper articles and TV shows, and all these things are just opinions, and most of the time not based on any evidence. They're just based on somebody's opinion of a situation based on one or two variables. And that noise is deadly to people. Most people will react to the most recent noise they've heard, and they will allow that noise to have an inordinate effect on their decision making, either to buy or sell something or to take a big position or not. And that's what creates inconsistency. It creates random decision making, irrational decision making. But the degree to which people don't realize that is the degree to which they will justify and rationalize that what they're doing is correct. All we can control is when we buy, what we buy, how much we buy, and when we sell. That's all we can control. So what we've tried to do as a business is put a process in place that we just let all the variables do what they're going to do, and all we do is respond to what the price is doing with all those variables taken into account in the price movement of stocks and the overall market. And over time, you won't be listening to the noise, you won't be thinking to all the outside variables that are going on. You'll just execute your mechanized process, which will become second nature over time. And the degree to which it becomes second nature is the degree to which you'll become successful going forward.